Hello, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shavi Kumar. I am from Basti, Uttar Pradesh. Uh, I have just completed my diploma in computer science and engineering. I am preparing for IT jobs and learning important technology, Python, Linux, and AWS. Like uh, I like enjoy working with tools. Uh, I am looking for a beginner level IT role. Where can I use skill and learn more? Thank you, sir. Uh, what is Linux? Linux is a free open source operating system that's an alternative to Microsoft Windows and Apple macOS operating systems. Linux power uh, Linux power most of the service and internet. The kernel low level software, it control the hardware and software based function like process scheduling and networking. This cell a Linux program for running command and deploying resulting has been on instrument of sell different features of sell different features. What is graphical desktop environments? UIG. AUI, window menu icons, uh, mouse, uh, GUI, other supported familiar elements. Launching cell. Launching cell. Where do cell come from? Sometime Linux launch on for automatically. This is often case when you logging over networking. SH or similar tool. The first thing printings uh, think you see use prompt a writing your command. What is Git? Git is a popular version control system. It was content while Linux travel in 2005 has been maintained by joint humans. Then it is used for first option tracking your code change, tracking who mode change, or uh, code collaborations. Git concept, git concept. पहला ऑप्शन रिपोजिटरी, a folder where git uh, git your track project and its history clone, make a clone Second option, make a copy of a remote repository of your computer. Strong. Third option, strong tell with Git which change you want to next save. Fourth option, commitment to save a safe host of storage change. Branch. Fourth option, branch. Fourth option, work of different version or future at some times. March. Fifth option. Fifth option. Uh, combine different combine change from different branch. Pull six option. Get the listed. Pull six options. Get the pull listed change from a remote repository. Push seven options. Send your change your to remote repository. Working with Git. Initialization on Git a folder making a remote repository. Git now create a handling folder to track of change. In that folder, when a file changed, add or delete, it is case write modified. The file are commitment which prompt Git to storage payment to storage snap host of the file. Why Git? Over 70% developers use with Git. 70% use developer with Git. Developer can together from anywhere in the world. Developer can see the full history of the project. Developers can reboot two versions of project. What is GitHub? What is not same GitHub? GitHub makes tools that Git use. GitHub is the largest host of the secure code in the world has been by Microsoft, creating and editing files. VI editor VI a powerful editor, text editor based on Unix to Git for with Linux. To Git for with Linux. You must become verification with the on of its next editor. The three most editors, one are non-editor, Emacs and Vim. Tracking this editor full is banned. The escape of the book, but the online of the and common operating and common